Hey, I'm Sienna, welcome to today's video. So today we're in a little bit of a different background. I went to go film in my room and my blackout blind broke. And it's an external one as well, so we have to go get scaffolding to remove it. But it doesn't wind back up, so now I'm stuck filming in here for as long as it takes to replace it. But today I'm going to do an unboxing, which is exciting. I haven't received too many parcels this week, but I'm going to do 2 weeks, every 2 weeks. I'm going to combine them and do a video like that, so then there's more to watch and it's not a 5-minute video of me unboxing 2 parcels. I feel so awkward filming. I'm in my parents' room and I'm right in front of the main window that everyone can see on the streets. I feel like people are watching me going, what is she doing? Oh, they wrote me a letter. That's so nice. I got this clip. Oh, it's a little baby clip. It's so tiny. This is the big one. And this is a little baby one. It's so tiny. The little love heart. Look how cute that is. Ooh, these are cool. They're so cool. Look. These are so cool. Whenever I unbox stuff in video, I find that I'm always like, I have like this airy fairy voice going. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So not cute at all. Take a shot every single time I say something is cool. That is so nice. Is it gonna focus? I've never seen something like this. Can you see it? Oh, what? That's the way it clips on. It clips on like that. You throw it out, you put it like that, and then so smart. Last item, but not least, is this. Next parcel. I just painted my nails today, and I find when I paint my nails, everything I touch is so, like, it just feels so weird, so that's why I never really paint my nails. Ooh. Okay, this is fancy. Wait, it's from Casio. They sent me the watches in this. I love the sound of that. I love peeling stuff off. Okay, so this is the first watch I got. This watch is really, really nice, even though it does not fit me. When I was younger, when we would get stuff that involved peeling stuff off, like a movie player or something like that, I would first of all get upset if anyone took the peeling position because that was my job. Then I would wait until like a special day, like I would just not peel it and just wait as long as I can to peel it off because I wanted to save that special, satisfying 2-second moment for a future Sienna that really needed to peel off the plastic sticker. Okay, this is something I got for myself off Depop because it's coming into summer, so why not get a blazer. It's this mint green blazer. It's more of like a blue, like a teal. Imagine this. Chic. Smells like another person. That's something I hate about getting like stuff off Depop is because they smell like other people. Okay, this is amazing. I love the color of it. Okay, picture this. Gold jewelry. White square neck dress. Bodycon. Beautiful. Got my gold jewelry, my chic on. Then I've got white strappy heels underneath. Or, picture this. Silk slip dress. Long. It's from Silk Laundry. Blazer. Heels the same color as this in a miracle world where I can find heels the same color as this. Do any of them involve being summer adaptable? No. It's for my boyfriend. This is my last parcel for the day. Little disclaimer. It is not a collaboration. I know. I'm devastated too. I ordered this stuff because it was on sale. And I love the sales section of every single website. Do I ever shop from somewhere that isn't the sales section? No. First item I got were these pants. The long pants. This is the detailing at the front. I can't even remember what I ordered, but apparently I did. So this is a shirt. I don't know why I keep looking for white shirts if I ordered this. It's a poplin. Okay, so I got these pants because I was like, I want to get the top for this because I think it would be a cute set, but the top was not in my size. So I was like, well, just get the pants then. I will probably never get the top because I'll probably never be able to find it off Depop. Anyways, so these are like, it's like a silky kind of material. It's definitely not silk, but it feels like silk. the last item. Oh, I saved the best for last. Don't be fooled. It's a top. Backless. You tie the back, the top one. And then there's a second one down the bottom. Okay, so this is the set. My concern about this outfit is this. Maybe I need to loosen that top a little bit. I think I do. But it's giving me like weird vibes when I stand like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna be honest here. I'm not a fan of this top at all. It's very long. I feel like it makes me look like I've just stolen a shirt out of my boyfriend's wardrobe. I don't know why I always buy shirts with this collar. It just never ends up turning out well from my personal opinion. However, these pants are super cute. Okay, that is all for this week's haul. Sorry, I was in a different room. I will see you for next week's haul that will be attached to this. I don't know how to fade these two together, but this is like a halfway point of this video, so have water. This week I got 3 parcels. All 3 of them are gifted collaborations. Actually, no, I have a paid collaboration in there, but all 3 of them are gifted to me. So I'm excited to show you what I got. There's a mix of bags, clothes, and shoes and accessories, so that's very exciting. Okay, so the first package I got was from I Dream For You. This bag is so beautiful. It's in a yellow package. So my first impression of I Dream For You is the packaging is 10 out of 10. Okay, so the first piece I got was this yellow sundress. This piece I'm pretty sure is a size too big for me, so I don't know whether it's going to fit me or not. I hope it does. That tack is definitely not going back on. And then I got this dress, which is so cute. It's a nice little linen dress. Next parcel is from Freelance Shoes. So this is actually a paid collaboration, which once again, as I say always, I'm very excited about. So I never used to wear heels ever, and now I love wearing them, even though I cannot walk in them, but... And the last package is from Brilliant. We all know how much I love Brilliant and their packages. This is for their spring 2021. Okay, let's see what I got. So the first thing, this is a bag. So this is the bag in biscuit. It is so cute. Oh, it comes with 2 straps. I like how you can zip this one up. How beautiful is it? Okay, and then I got a little package. Okay, what's in here? Oh, these are nice. These earrings. Those earrings are stunning. Okay, next I got, ooh. It is a shorter kind of necklace, but it's stunning. And last of all, they sent me this bag. I've never had a brown bag before. I feel like you could just set me off to Paris and this is what I would be wearing the whole time. It's got a really cute front pocket as well, which is so nice, and then it's a little button up on there. Brilliant actually had a lot of other really nice bags that I really wanted. They had all these mini Camille bags, which is what you would see mostly on my Instagram, the white bag, and it's like a little... You'll know it when you see it because I always tag Brilliant in it. And they have mini versions of that now in like a light yellow, a light blue, a cool dark citrus kind of orange, which is so nice. That was stunning. I wish that I could just have a bunch of Brilliant bags. That would be an absolute dream. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I've got the Brilliant biscuit bag and the Venus dress from I Dream Of You, and then I have the Freelance shoes on. I love this dress. It's giving me very much picnic cottagecore vibes. Also bag appreciation. Okay, so this is the second outfit. I'm really sad because it's way too big for me. However, this bag, I'm in love. I feel like at this point I may as well be wearing like 4 bags on each shoulder because I just fall in love every single time. If you're ever looking for a bag, go to Brilliant. This is not sponsored by them at all. I wish it was. I wish they could send me all of the bags they own. So this is your sign to go buy a bag. Thank you so much for watching the past 2 weeks haul. I hope you loved it. Thank you for the support on my last haul. It was lots of fun to film, very different, and I hope it gives you 2015 what I got for Christmas vibes in the most humble and non-materialistic way possible. Please like and subscribe, that helps other people see my channel, and hopefully we can grow and I can make more YouTube videos and I have to never work a 9-to-5 job again. I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for your support and have an amazing day.